In this tutorial, you'll see how to work with your Salesforce contacts right inside YakChat. Open YakChat and head to Contacts. Then switch to the Salesforce tab to view your Salesforce contacts in YakChat. Choose a contact and select Send Message to start the conversation. Replies from Salesforce contacts appear in YakChat too, keeping every thread in one place. And when you get a message from a Salesforce contact, their contact information will automatically be displayed. Each message, both inbound and outbound, shows up on the contact's activity timeline in Salesforce. When you're in Salesforce, open the contact to review the full text history. When you send media from YakChat to a Salesforce contact, you'll find those files on the contact record in Salesforce under Related Files. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.